Tints are undoubtedly a perfect replacement for heavy makeup. So if you are someone who loves wearing makeup but is in doubt because of the summers, then lip and cheek tints are the perfect solution, as it is very light on your skin and can give you that blush look. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nidhi. आज की वीडियो में I will review tints and it is from the brand called Blue Nectar. I mean, आज के टाइम में you can find every other person is using tints. So I am going to review the lip, cheek and eye tints with the goodness of ghee from the brand called Blue Nectar. अगर मैं इनकी पैकेजिंग की बात करूँ तो मुझे इनकी पैकेजिंग काफ़ी अच्छी लगी. आई मीन इट वॉज़ रियली थॉटफुल. ये काफ़ी अच्छे एक छोटे से बॉक्स में आता है एंड उसके अंदर आपको ये छोटा सा अगेन एक बॉक्स मिल जाता है जिसमें आपको टिंट मिलता है. वन बेस्ट पार्ट विच आई लाइक्ड अबाउट इट इज़ दैट दे आर ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडिंग अ ब्रश. सो आप इस ब्रश की मदद से ईजिली अपने टिंट्स को अप्लाई कर सकते हो ऑन योर लिप, चीक और आई, जहाँ भी आप चाहो. एंड they are like super pigmented, so I liked it. I mean, first overview तो बहुत अच्छा था. Now let's try this. These tints comes in many variants and shades, but here I am trying the beetroot one. Although मैंने बहुत ज़रा सा टिंट यूज़ किया था, but because of its glossy formula ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा लग रहा था and it was like really hydrated, very smooth to blend and to glide on my skin. I felt beetroot naturally बहुत ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड होता है and this is beetroot flavored tint, so ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा reddish hue दे रहा था which was very stunning and at point, but I think this will be perfect for the party and for such looks. मुझे इसका ओवरऑल लुक बहुत पसंद आया as it was very easy to blend. I used only and only my fingertips for the same. I really liked it. Next I tried their another lip shade in the same. This was the Lotus lip tint. I took a swatch of it and I felt it is very natural. I mean, इसका color काफ़ी ज़्यादा natural nude था, so I liked it. And because I have applied the beetroot tint already on my face, so I used it on my eyelids. And मुझे ये काफ़ी natural color दे रहा था, so I felt this can be a perfect tint for those who are college going girls, या फिर अगर आप office जाते हैं and you don't want to wear heavy makeup but at the same time you want to look very natural and blushed, so this can be your go-to tint. I really like this one. इसके बाद I also tried their blackberry lip tint, which again I felt is a gorgeous shade as it adds a touch of elegance to your makeup routine, whether it could be day or night. But because I have applied tint all over my face, so first मुझे उसे पोंछना था, so let me clean that and now I will show you how it looks on face after the application. So this is how the color looks and I applied it on my lips. Again I used just my fingers for blending and this was super easy to blend. Another thing which I liked about their tints is that they are very gentle to your skin. I mean, it is made out of completely Ayurvedic products, so they are very good for your skin and are free from harmful toxins and harsh chemicals. So it suits all skin types. It will keep your skin moisturized. So I really liked it. I mean, even if you have sensitive skin, you can still use it. It has the goodness of nourishing ghee and shea butter. मुझे पर्सनली ब्लू नेक्टर आयुर्वेदा के प्रोडक्ट्स पसंद है एंड व्हेन आई ट्राइड देयर टिंट्स दे डिडंट डिसअपॉइंटेड मी. आई मीन ये भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे. आई पुट द प्रोडक्ट लिंक्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब फॉर मोर. बाय बाय.